Remove liver spots, dark spots on skin in 3 days. Best age spots remover at home. If you want the flawless skin internally as well as dark spot corrector treatment at home, you need to apply the cleansing method first. So, it starts with pore cleaner. Pores on your face can get clogged with oil, dry skin cells, and everyday dirt and debris. Day by day it creates some huge pores on nose. Splash warm water all over the face and allow it to dry. This helps remove grime and dust from clogged pores. Who does not know the benefits of beets nutrition? Beetroot is extremely effective for skin. Beet juice has been widely used as a face pack and lends a pinkish hue to your skin. Although the results are more visible on fair people, regular use of this beetroot mask for face can help give you flawless skin by reducing pores and dark spots. If you are looking for the home remedy on how to get rid of dark spots on face, this beet recipes will be the answer for your homemade skin spot remover. You can apply this face mask anywhere on your face and body. It will help you to get rid of brown patches on skin, dark spots on legs and liver spots on face within weeks. Beet juice benefits the skin vastly by improving the texture. It provides natural hydration and moisturization to the skin, making it soft and glowing. Beetroot mainly helps to remove the dry and dead skin cells and replaces it with new. So it is obviously a great pore minimizer to reduce pore size naturally. The healthy growing cells not only help in pore tightening as well as making the skin radiant and supple. From dry skin cells to acne scars, this is the best dark spot treatment with kitchen ingredients in winter. This homemade facial will not only remove dark patches on skin, also the remedy on how to shrink and unclog pores. Beetroot juice is a good source of antioxidants that protects cells from damaging free radicals. It also supports collagen production. So this is the simplest home remedies for wrinkles and wrinkles around mouth. Furrow lines on your forehead, also called frown lines. This tip will help you to get rid of forehead wrinkles at home. Natural ingredients always been the best wrinkle treatment for saggy skin and loose skin. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty.